I'm going to turn quickly now to Renee over in West End. Renee, good evening. If you will, go right ahead with your question.
Hey, my question is, what is the statute of limitations in terms of how long do you have to file against your employer if they have fired you for having a workman's comp situation? I was robbed at work and beat up by the person who was doing the robbing, went to the hospital by ambulance and from the injuries, and then filed with the company, and I never got any care from them whatsoever. But it's been about 3 years now.
Yeah, we're on a real short timeline. So quickly, generally speaking, it's a 2-year statute of limitations. That can be expanded just a little bit depending on how long you're paid, what we call indemnity, or how long they keep your paycheck going, can extend that just a little bit. But generally speaking, it's 2 years.
Yeah.